Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Friends, I'm late to wish you, hope you will consider. I would like to wish you a Eid Mubarak and happy Akshay Tritiya. Here in Qatar, kids and husband have holiday on behalf of Eid. So decided to go outside as much as we can because later here summer will be harsh. Today plan to have dinner outside, so I'm preparing very simple lunch today, that is dal chawal but with flaxseed chutney. So today I will share flaxseed chutney recipe. Dal chawal recipe I think everyone knows, so it's okay. So let's begin with the video. Here I am making flaxseed chutney. So I have taken 1 cup of flax seeds and some garlic and dried red chilies. So first I am roasting flax seeds in a pan. We have to roast these flax seeds on low flame. It won't take much time, around 3 to 4 minutes is enough. Once flax seeds hot enough, I am adding garlic. Again roast for another 1 minute. Then goes dried red chilies. Again roast for another maximum 1 minute and that's it. Now let it cool. Once it is cooled down, I will grind this together. Also I have added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and I will add salt 1 teaspoon or as per taste. And that's it, we need to grind this and the chutney is ready. This chutney we can store for 2 weeks or 3 to 4 weeks in a refrigerator. This is very simple and healthy chutney. We can mix this to our curds or salads, even on rice. You can just mix with dal also and have with chapati like that. And that's it. It is very simple and healthy also. So here very simple lunch, rice, dal. I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee and I will have with the flax seeds. Simple, healthy. So after lunch we took a nap around 30 minutes and then now we are going to park, but before that we will have dinner outside. Here COVID restrictions are there, so dine in restaurants is not allowed. But we can take away, and also some of restaurants have started now dine in car option, so we are planning for that. Let's see how it is. It is first time we are trying. We are going towards one cafe called Thalatin Cafe. Thalatin in Arabic, it is number 30, like for number 30 it is called Thalatin. This cafe recently opened, not so many months I guess. I read about this in Gulf Times, like local newspaper. There they have mentioned about this, why that 30 number, 30, because 30 is important for Qataris, while 70% of their population is under 30-year-old. And also Qatar have transformative vision by 2030, like Qatar will become advanced society. They will provide a good lifestyle and sustainable lifestyle for people. So they have this 2030 vision, and yeah, that is like 30 is important for them. This Talatin Cafe is located in National Museum of Qatar, like in that premises. So we called up and now they are putting for like dine-in car. So they have this platform. They will put front seat and back seat also, so we can have, like, we can use that as a dining. And yeah, it is new concept. It is good also. A little bit congested I feel, but that's fine. At least we can feel that, dine in option. Like, we cannot go in restaurants, but at least okay, at least we can eat, like dine in option like that. So we felt it is good, so we ordered some burger, some bread, some sweet also, banana bread. This is vegan restaurant, totally plant based, and we were surprised, kids also like that. And after dinner, it was quite heavy, we feel, because don't know, maybe we ordered more. Now we are going to park, Albida Park. It is also nearby. It is quite big, and their cycle track also there, so kids can enjoy and we can take good walk. So decided to go nearby only, Albida Park. And here we reached. Kids are already excited and they know this place, like many times we come here, so they started riding cycle. And it is a path for cycling, and sideways we can walk also. It is quite big, so kids can easily ride cycle for around 1 hour 2 hour, as much as they want. It is quite big park in Qatar, and it is one of our favorite park. And here you can have look, it is so nice. And weather also okay, little bit was humid there, but still fine, we managed. And yes, it was good time. Here you can see fountain is there, so this is also good to see, like whenever we see water, it feels like it distress you, and it feels good, so we were enjoying that. Right now, my country is suffering. India is suffering a lot because of COVID. So, like going park and talking with partner and kids also, they get busy in outdoor activity. So, this is the kind of de-stressing myself or my family, I can say. So, that's how we spend like time with family. It is good to be always go out, so we try to go out as much as possible. And yeah, that's it. This is how holidays are going on. Hope you like, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.